Hello guys, welcome to my dishwashing soap challenge. This journey started with fear but also with faith. Today I'll be taking you all with me from the market to the moment that I pour purpose into every bottle of Better Wash. I almost didn't start this journey because the fear of failing was way louder than my dreams. I remember when this dream first dropped in my heart, so many what if filled my mind. I was excited, but if I am being honest, I was also very, very scared. Scared of hearing no after no. What if I fail? What if people laugh at me? What if nothing comes out of it? What if it doesn't work? So many what if tried to talk me out of doing it. But then I asked myself, just what if it does work? What if God is truly with me like He promised? So I prayed and I took a step of faith and I kept going. I mixed, I measured, I learned, and most of all, I believed. And God showed up. Every ingredient that I pick reminded me that greatness doesn't just start big. It starts with bold little steps. On the first day that I carried my product to sell, guys, the first person that I talked to said no. I felt really, really bad. But I didn't go back. I moved to the next person. And guess what? Yes, I sold. 1 yes became 2, and 2 became more. And each time God reminds me that you are not alone. Better Wash isn't just a soap. It is a reminder that faith beats fear and that small beginning matters. And when you dare to believe, God shows up in ways that you can't imagine. So if you are watching this and you are doubting your own journey, then this is a sign. Start with what you have and then trust God with the rest. Because whatever He puts in your hands, He will surely bless. It has not been perfect, but God has been faithful. And each batch that I make is a reminder that I did not quit. You are scared, right? Then do it afraid. Trust God. Believe in your growth. Don't wait for perfection. Just start. Guys, I am proud to present my latest product for this challenge. It was made with love, precision, and purpose. You see that years that you are waiting for? Yes, that years is on the other side of courage. Cleanerpreneurs, may your courage outshine your fear. Let's go, guys.